The West African Examination Council (WAEC) has finally released the long-awaited WASSCE results, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you are going to get cheap vouchers and also how to check your results and save them as PDF and also how to print them out straight. This is Great Filippo, and if this happens to be your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like this video as well. Now let's get started. Before you can check your WASSCE results, you need something called a voucher, which consists of the serial number and the PIN. And to get cheap vouchers, just contact the numbers on your screen. Just contact Kobe or Situation, the numbers on your screen, and tell them Great Filippo led you here to get 20% discount. And after getting your voucher, just open any browser of your choice and let's get into it.
Okay, so just open any browser of your choice. You can use your mobile phone or your PC as well. So for my case, I'm using Edge. When it opens, we are going to type ghana.waecdirect.org in the search bar. Then once you are done typing, just press the enter button over here. So it will open this page for you. So you are going to use the voucher and the PIN to check our results. So first one, it is asking of our index number. So you are just going to type your 10-digit index number. Once you are done typing your index number, just go ahead and select your examination type. So just click on the drop down over here and select that's WASSCE school, that's government school, or WASSCE private. If you wrote in a private institution, select private. So for my case, it's a government school, so I'm just going to select WASSCE school. Then you select examination year. So mine is 2025, so I'm just going to select 2025. Then you are just going to enter your date of birth over here. So it is starting with the day, the month, and the year. So let's say it is 28th July. So you're just going to select 28 over here, and then you select the month. Mine is July, and the year is 2006. So I'm just going to select 2006. Once you are done, you are just going to enter the serial number on the voucher you purchased. You are just going to enter the voucher over here. Then you input the PIN also over here, the one you bought. Once you are done typing the voucher serial number and the PIN over here, you are going to input the index number again here. So just type the index number, and then once you are done typing the index number, you select examination year. So it is 2025. I'm going to select it again, and then once you are done filling it, just click on submit, and then you click on agree to continue, and the results is here. So if you want to save it as PDF or print it out, if you are connected to a printer, just scroll down and then click on print this page. Then once it is done loading, you make sure you select save as PDF over here. So save as PDF, then you click on save, and then select the location you want to save the file, then click on save, and it have saved as PDF. But if you are connected to a printer and you want to print it out straight, just click on the print this page, and then you select your printer over here. So let's say mine is Canon. You select it, then you click on print, and it's going to give you the printout.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Before you leave, don't forget to stay active and stay connected. This is Great Filippo. Until we meet again.